Good morning, everybody. So, we start with the global market news update today. Wall Street stocks closed mixed on Monday as investors braced for a slew of US economic data this week, especially consumer prices to judge the outlook for Federal Reserve monetary policy. The Dow Jones Industrial Average fell. The benchmark S&P 500 index and tech-heavy Nasdaq Composite Index closed higher. The CPI data is expected to show headline inflation accelerated 0.2% in July from June, but unchanged at 3% on a year-on-year basis. Oil prices jump on prospect of widening Middle East was shrinking supply. Money market are eventually getting on a 25 or 50 basis point cut in US interest rate in September, expecting a total easing of 100 basis point by the end of year of 2024. Adani Group, the Indian conglomerate rocked by a Hindenburg research report last year, faced another heavy share sell-off on Monday after the short seller accused the head of Indian's market regulator of having links to offshore fund also used by the group. $2.43 billion, that is around 1%, has been wiped off the market value of Adani companies by the end of the trading day. However, that substantially recovered from earlier losses of more than $13 billion. Now, coming to the Indian market update, Nifty closed around negative 20 point, that is around 0.08%, and today's support level would be yesterday's low, that is around 24,204, followed by 24,150, and today's resistance level would be yesterday's high, that is around 24,474, followed by 24,529. Now coming to the Bank Nifty closed around 93 point positive, that is around 0.19%, and today's support level would be yesterday's low, that is around 50,204, followed by 50,23, and today's resistance level would be around 58.47, followed by 59.87. Now coming to the mid cap closed around 156 point positive, that is around 0.27%, and today's support level would be yesterday's low, that is around 56,799, followed by 56,579, and today's resistance level would be around 57,802, followed by 57,989. Small cap closed around 34 point positive, that is around 0.19%, and today's support level would be yesterday's low, that is around 18,276, followed by 18,176, and today's resistance level would be around 18,611, followed by 18,678. Now coming to the sectoral update, we can see a good buying opportunities in healthcare sector, industrial gas and fuel sector, consumer durable sector, IT sector, fast moving consumer goods sector, chemical sector. And top deliveries are in consumer durable sector, industrial gases and fuel sector, realty sector, infrastructure sector, diversified sector. And we see a profit booking in many sector like aviation, trading, media and entertainment sector, plastic product sector. Recommendation, we continue with the Tata Group stock basket with the expected return of 8%, and the performance review is large cap till now performed around 0.69%, auto stock performed around negative 0.92%, private bank performed around negative 4.45%, FMCG performed around 2.81%, pharma performed around 5.95%, and Tata Group performed till now negative 1.64%.